everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout, another 2-page layout today. So I am cutting the border strips off that wood grain paper, which is Echo Park Let's Create, and it's a craft room paper. And then I had already cut this navy paper into strips and forgot that I hadn't turned on my camera. So that's why you see these and they're ready to go. So that navy paper is the kayaking paper from the Bella Boulevard Lake Life collection, and most everything in here is from the Bella Boulevard Lake Life collection, which is one of their newest collections. And my grandkids spend a lot of time up at lakes. I spend a lot of time up at lakes, so I thought this was a really cool new collection, and I love Bella Boulevard anyway, so that definitely helps. Now you see why it's called kayaking, because it's on the back. And I did order a boatload, RR Lake Life, no pun intended there, seriously, but I ordered a ton of that because I really love this collection. And then so they're out at a like outdoor animal park that they love, and so I thought the wood grain paper was really appropriate. I don't think you could get to as many animals as you normally can, but I've been there. It has a 3.5-mile trail with lots of exotic animals, and they're actually really well taken care of. It's a very cool place. And I've been there with number 3. She loves animals, so that was a pretty cool thing. All right, so I'm just getting the photos in here. There's a lot of them, so I'm going to do 3 across the top and then 2 on the bottom. And they're approximately the same size, the bottom photos are. I arranged them a little bit differently. You know, I did a 4x4 there, so a little bit of trimming in my normal photo size there. But the kids love this place. All right, so now I have my general kind of way this is going to be. And I'm sorry, I've had this problem a couple times lately. I think I must have done some of these on the same day, but I'm a little off camera here on that right side, so I apologize for that. So now I'm going through the die cuts from the ephemera words in the Lake Life collection, and I found that word that said family, and I really liked that because their family was all together in this outing. So I thought that would be kind of cool. And then I have that little heart that says the best, because as I said, they really like this spot. And this, I believe, was my first layout with the Lake Life collection. So I'm really looking through things. It's taking me a little bit longer because I use the back of the packages, but to get a feel for like size and that kind of stuff, you don't have that. And, and so all that stuff is just sitting there. I am looking for something. I want to do something on the right side. Not sure, bottom, top, middle there. I do like that little fresh air piece there. And I just realized I don't have this dated, so I'm going to have to find that. Because they will... I need to do that just so they know what it is. On this one, I didn't put any spots to journal. I will correct that as soon as I'm done. Because it's going to need to be filed pretty quickly. And I think these are from 2022, if I remember correctly. Okay. Added in that heart sticker and the arrow sticker. So those came from the doohickey stickers from Lake Life. And then I'm going into, I put the all those die cuts away, and now I'm kind of thinking that I want to use some of these puffy stickers. So I've got that I've got the these are from the they're not puffy, they're enamel, sorry. This is the Epoxy Explorer. That's it. Sorry guys, I have so many trees on this layout. That one right there that I just did is the puffy stickers. They're called Outdoors. There's the little epoxy ones. You can see that. So I'm going to add some more of these epoxy trees from that Explore enamel stickers. So lots of different kinds of embellishments here. But I wanted trees just because this, I didn't say this. I was thinking about it, but I forgot to say this. This place, and you can see some of the background, has a ton of woods. So the animals are in fenced in areas, but they're very natural animal, like places for the animals to be. They're not in cage. Well, I mean, you can debate that, but they're not in like some of the zoo, the way some of the zoos can be, where it looks very cage-like. They're in a very natural setting. So I'm getting out my T-square ruler there so that I have a surface. I don't want to be pulling these letters up and off of these photos because I'm afraid it'll rip it. So I brought my T-square ruler, and you can get these at like Hobby Lobby and Michael's and that kind of stuff. And that puffy alpha is the Doodlebug Alphabet Soup in Limeade. So I have family outing there, and then I'm thinking about maybe putting another die cut or something there because, you know, I could have put it on wax paper first, but I didn't, to kind of center that outing. And it's very off balance right now because it's it's justified very to the left, and that title just doesn't look good. So I'm going to add family outing fun to this. And there we go. All right, guys, let's see. The last thing I'm doing is I'm going to add a little bit more dimension, just highlighting the green again for that sort of outdoorsy feeling, even though this, I believe, was in like December of last year, I'm pretty sure. This is the Altenew Tropical Forest collection of enamel dots. Altenew, definitely my favorite. I've talked about this before. They are my favorite enamel dots because they're not inexpensive, but you get huge amounts of them, and in different, all a solid color, but in different tones of that color, and lights, darks, and things like that. All right, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.